How to fix invited friends not showing in the list on Hamster Kombat. So if you want to fix the problem of invited friends not showing in the list of Hamster Kombat, then what you need to do is you just need to simply tap and hold onto your Telegram application. Go with your app info, go with storage and cache, and tap on clear cache. Once you clear your cache, then your problem might be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, then you need to open up your Telegram application. And here you need to scroll down and find the Hamster Kombat. Tap on it. Go with play, which is on the bottom left. Now wait for the page to load and simply go and claim your reward first. And here on the bottom you will have friends option, right? You just need to simply tap on friends, and under friends you need to go with invite a friend option, and you will be able to invite, right? But if you're not being able to invite, then what you need to do is simply go with the upper right, which has that three dots icon, and then tap on reload page. Once you've reloaded the page, your problem might be fixed. Or you can just simply remove that application and then again open it, or reload the Hamster Kombat, or again open the interface, and your problem might be fixed. Or you just need to simply restart your device, and after restarting, your problem will be fixed. So that's it. That's how you can fix your invited friends not showing in the list of Hamster Kombat. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.